Bienvenue à Paris, welcome to Paris, and in this video we will be exploring the French capital and seeing how tourism is reviving over here. Paris is once again buzzing with tourists, and since August 1, 2022, they've dropped all COVID-19 restrictions for coming over. It has been quite evident with the influx of visitors and their excitement amongst them to come over here and take pictures with their favourite monuments. Recent data suggested that a total of 322 million nights were spent by tourists in France from April to September of 2022, which is 2.4% more than in 2019. Paris is divided into 20 arrondissements, or districts, each with its own characteristics and unique spots. It is best to get the bearings right in the first few hours of your time in Paris and then explore its wonders. Where you choose to stay is one of the most important decisions to define your Parisian experience. I called Mandarin Oriental Paris my home for the trip. It is located right in the heart of Paris's shopping district of Rue Saint-Honore and is surrounded by the world's most prestigious luxury brands. This property has 135 luxurious rooms, and all of them tend to be quite spacious, which means more room for shopping bags, but also quite a relaxing stay. My favorite spot was the indoor open-air garden of their outlet Bar 8, which attracted a lot of natural light during the day and offered a relaxing space in the evenings to wind down in a well-lit environment. Located in Place de la Concorde, this naval museum is one of the newest must-see attractions of Paris. Constructed in 1775, it offers visitors a glimpse into the 18th century's design. The building was planned to be a repository for state treasures, though after the French Revolution, it became the headquarters of the French Navy until 2015. It went through 4 years of renovations and opened to the public in June 2021. If you're a fan of luxurious historical items, then this museum should be added to your list of attractions to visit. When I arrived in the city during my previous trip as a solo traveler, I always wondered where the romantic element fit into all of the history, culture, and shopping the city has to offer. The truth lies in the spirit and aura of the city. One can spend hours just exploring the city on foot, admiring the views and people watch sat outside the cafes. Paris can also be fun for families too. My nephews had flown over from the UK who also had a cracking time. Almost. Overall, the bustling streets of Paris are back following the end of the pandemic. It is an all-season destination that is well worth a quick trip during the long weekend holidays.